My name is Tara, and in QUT I was a PhD student. I was working on 3D printed structures for tissue regeneration. So these structures, they can be implanted in patients' injury sites so we can regenerate the tissue. I was also working on drug delivery part of this research. So in the future, we can implant these structures in human body and reduce the chance of infection by this drug delivery system. During my internship, I was working on a design and development of surgical training models. So I was going through patient scans and turning them into 3D models. And then I was preparing them for 3D printing. So it is so important that anatomy and the realistic feeling of the patient, we had to mimic that with this plastic material, which was quite difficult and challenging and so interesting. So I was basically turning these patient scans into the 3D model and then 3D printing them, considering the anatomy and the material and 3D printing, and also considering what the surgeon wanted to do and the procedure of the surgery, so I could develop these products. Also, I had to work with different stakeholders, my project manager, the product manager, and also the customer, the surgeon who wanted to use the implant. So it was a mixture of communication and some technical, some software, some 3D printing. It was a mixture, combination of so many different things. You have so many interpersonal skills, transferable skills as a PhD student, and you can take them to the industry. You have learned how to troubleshoot, how to test things, and they are so valuable in industry. By the end of the internship, I was really sure that design and development of medical devices is something that I really want to do in my future. So I think QUT is really great for giving these opportunities to students, and I really encourage students to take advantage of it.